Hi there, Kira here with another process video in my Life Crafted album. So I am documenting a party I threw for my son. He graduated kindergarten this year, but since this year was kind of a mess with the whole COVID-19, he didn't get to do like the fun things that kindergartners get to do, so I decided to throw him a party, and he's really into like anatomy right now, which is super weird for a 5-year-old, but you know, I just went with it and threw him a doctor party. So I started by stitching this background here on a sheet of paper, and this is going to fit in the Life Crafted album. So it's 4.25 by 8.25. And I used a digital stamp and resized it just in Word. I just added it in Word, and then once I had all of those little plus signs where I wanted them, I printed out the sheet that had the the plus signs on it, laid it over a plain white piece of cardstock, punched the holes with my little piercer tool, and then just stitched in a few different colors. So I have like a light purple, a yellow, and a darker purple. And then I used some embellishments. I'm kind of pulling from both the Life Crafted and the add-on kit. By this time in the month, I sort of just mix all my kits together. And so I have, pieces from all of it, but I think it's mostly Life Crafted is what I end up using. So I have a ton of photos. So what I'm doing is I'm going to add a little 3x4 pocket page insert in here to add some of those photos into. So I'm just grabbing the photos that I want to use and then using some of the Life Crafted cards and just cutting down the photos to how they fit on those cards, and then adding some embellishments on top, either the die cuts or chipboard, puffy stickers, and those little tiny word stickers. And I'm sticking with the, kind of the pinks, yellows, and purples for this page. So there's that finished side, and now I'm going to work on this one over here. And like I said, I just had a ton of photos, so I just wanted to get as many photos in here as possible. And then I have, I already did my journaling, so I used one of the Life Crafted the TN Basics. It's the digital TN Basics. I used the grid paper one, which is like a teal grid, but you can always change the colors of any digital product, which is one of the reasons I love all the digital products that Citrus Twist has. So I changed it to a yellow grid, which goes with my color scheme a little bit better. And then I use that digital stamp again to kind of mark out my 3 stories that I have to tell here. So I have, kind of the story about the party itself, the little doctor party that I threw. And then I have just a couple stories that kind of go along with my son's obsession with anatomy at the moment. So I just threw those all on that journaling page. So I had them all in one place. And then I just have all these photos here that kind of just work with the stories that I have. So I'm just finishing up this card with a chipboard and tiny word sticker. There's my journaling there. And then there was kind of this empty spot in my journaling, so I kind of just wanted to fill it up here. And since the background is yellow, I wanted to bring in some more of that purple. So I'm going to add this flower here along with this little label. It says time with my family, but I felt like it needed more yellow, and I really wanted to use some enamel dots, but I decided to use the inner parts of the O's from this alpha set, and it works just like enamel dots. So so I threw a couple of those on there just to bring in a little pop of yellow, and that will finish off my journaling page. And I think that's pretty much it. This came together really quickly once I kind of had my vision and knew what I wanted to do. I'll have some close-ups here for you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.